Hi guys, I'm Vikram.
And I'm Anand.
And are you one of those students who have taken commerce but are confused about what they want to do in their careers?
Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the stream, the subjects, and the limitless possibilities in this stream.
Stay tuned to know more. First of all, let's discuss what is commerce and what are the subjects that are involved in this. Well, commerce deals with revolving around numbers and everything to do with numbers. How you can various businesses use numbers, organizations use numbers. It may be used in certain subjects specifically. So let's start by looking at what subjects are important in commerce. So first let's look at what is commerce about and what does it entail. Well, commerce revolves around numbers and the unpredictability of them.
But it also caters to the flows of money in the market and how business interacts with it, how humans interact with the process of money.
So now let's look at the subjects that are involved in commerce and what you have to read in them. So first is economics, perhaps the most important subject in commerce. Economics deals with financial and economic related activities. So how various countries they what is their economic situation like, how do they conduct business with each other, what are the best practices involved in these activities.
Next up is accountancy, another key subject in the stream of commerce. Accountancy deals with financial accounts, auditing, tax policies, and overall information about how to deal with accounts.
Next up is business organization. Business organization means that what are the best practices to run a business? What is a business? What is the nature of a business? Types of businesses, social responsibilities, business ethics. All these things come into business organization.
Next is maths. Now, maths is very important for the commerce stream. You learn about statistics, you learn about permutation combinations in this, and it's very important for the stream of commerce.
Right. And finally, we have information practices. Information practices deals with computer savvy technologies and subject matters which are related to computers. So, like Tally. Tally is a tool which we use for accountancy purposes, and that is being taught in this subject.
Now we'll move on to what career paths are there for you in this stream. We may remind you though that we are not covering competitive bank exams as they can be given by a student with any stream background.
So first up we have private and investment banking sector. अगर आप BCom या MCom कर रहे हैं and you want to look for a job, then this is one of the areas that you can apply for. Many private companies and consultancies, they look for people who can advise on where to invest money.
Like Ernst & Young.
Yeah, like Ernst & Young, Procter & Gamble, many other companies, McKinsey. So they are looking for people with good commerce background, but you need to be from a good college in order to pursue one of these companies. And colleges like SRCC, Hunstart College, LSR, any one of those DU university colleges or something of that level.
Next up is logistics and supply chain management. Now these days, with the advent of online detailed market, there is a growing need for people who are skilled in logistics management. So this job entails warehouse management, freight transportation, product design, and social supply chain management. So this job is a new thing that has emerged due to the online retail market business, right?
Yeah. So next up we have actuarial sciences. Actuarial sciences is the science of dealing with risk and calculating risk. Risk is calculated on the basis of statistics, mathematics, and financial theory. So now it is mainly used in the insurance sector, life insurance, health insurance sectors, where you need to calculate what is the risk involved in giving money to some person, insurance to some person. So there it comes into picture.
Next up is retail management. Now we have seen the advent of various malls coming up throughout any city, like Gurgaon, like big malls have come with various shops. So these shops need people who can manage the store. So shops like Shoppers Stop, West Side or Pantaloons, you must have been to these stores.
Adidas.
बहुत सारी शॉप्स आ चुकी हैं, बहुत सारी रिटेल मार्केट आ चुकी है. तो उनको एक बंदा चाहिए जो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से हो और उनके वो पूरे स्टोर को मैनेज कर सके. So that is the advent of retail management.
So next up is HR management. Human resource management is another one of those areas where you can apply job for. इसमें basically आपको either you get to hire people for companies, or you provide them trainings and developmental plans, or you give them health or beneficiary services.
Next up is CA, that is Chartered Accountant. One of the most sought after jobs in the stream of commerce. Now for this you can actually start your CA career by taking an exam when you're in 12th class. This is a common proficiency test undertaken by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And after you clear this test, you have to go through certain modules which cover basics of commerce, like accountancy, taxation, economic policies, business policies. And after clearing these modules, you will be given a certificate by the ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and you will be a certified chartered accountant.
Next up, company secretary. This course is being run by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and it really helps companies to follow compliance practices. So company secretaries compliance practices dekhte hain for various companies, and they see whether the legal aspect of the companies is up to the mark or not.
Next up is certified financial planner. Now this is also one of the most booming careers in the stream of commerce. If you have a good knowledge of taxation laws or taxation policies, this is the thing for you. You will have to take a test undertaken by the Financial Planning Standards Board of India, and if you clear this test, you will have to clear and go through certain 6 modules, for which each exam is held online by the same board. If you clear all these six modules, you will be a certified financial planner. The job entails the art and science of financial and personal finance and how to deal with it.
Next is cost and management accounting. So this is another course that is done by the ICAI, that is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. What they do is they provide you course in 3 modules, and if you do these modules, you can be a certified cost accountant whose basic jobs is to look after tax and auditing of companies. So what do you guys think? Which career path interested you the most?
Or have you missed something out?
Do let us know in the comment section below.
And if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our BrainPundits channel.
And always remember, the power is within.